going on? This is Marissa with the No Boss Life, the person bringing you a little bit closer to breaking the cycle of the rat race. If you don't know what a rat race is, you're probably in one. Very, very deep. Before I get into this, you want to learn how to get paid every single day, but I got to give a shout out to these people right here. So we got Sylvia, Linda, Jacqueline, Daniel, Melissa, Brittany, David, Christopher, Jason. I can keep going on, but those are some of the most recent people that have joined my team and have taken the first step to breaking their cycle of the rat race. You're looking for a way to make money online, and most importantly, you want to get paid every day. I mean, there's nothing much better than not only getting paid, but if you can get paid every day, that's the sweet spot. So to show you I'm a real person, I actually get paid every day, and then I'm gonna go into what I'm doing. I'm gonna actually log into my Stripe account, and you know what? Scratch this. Scratch this. I mean, there's a lot of income proof out there, and I think probably the most real I could probably give right now is actually logging into my actual Chase account. I don't know why I don't do this more often. I mean, I don't think people can steal my information if I'm blurring out my username, but some people are. I have been very shocked at the information that people have used of mine. Very little information to try to get into my crap. So yeah, I will be blurring out some stuff in here, but this is loading like a turtle. Wow, this is very, very slow. Usually, yeah, come on, Chase. Let's go ahead and get there. So as you can see, I got over $2,800 in my account. That's not a whole bunch of money. I can't wait till the day that this says like $20,800. You know what I mean? But as you can see right here, I've got over $8,000 that were deposited this month. Okay, so I'm gonna go a little bit deeper here though and do these. I'm just gonna search these transactions here. We're gonna do this month only, right? We're on the 29th, and let's go ahead and search this. And as you'll be able to see, why is it loading so slow? You know, I cut, and it's still loading. I'm gonna cut again because I don't want you to be sitting here, but it's literally, I'm hoping it'll just pop up. Wow, I don't think it's ever been this slow. I'm gonna cut. Oh no, there he goes. God, that was crazy. Okay. So as you can see, actually today, I actually got paid $506 from my Stripe account. That's not what I'm using to make money. It's just the merchant. It's like PayPal, okay? So as you can see, I've been getting paid basically every day. You want to stop and look at these payments I'm getting. The days that you're seeing in March or anytime I show this kind of income proof that I'm not getting paid, it's because it's either a Saturday or Sunday, right? So Stripe doesn't, transfer money from your merchant account to your bank account on Saturdays or Sundays. Anyways, you saw some of those payments were for $500, $700, even up to $700. Even I think there was an $800 payment in there on a daily basis that's happening. Now, it hasn't always been like that. I've had some experience making money online, but the thing is, I started out just like anybody else would start out making money online. If you've got a desktop or laptop, access to a PayPal or Stripe account, and if you have a good Wi-Fi connection, anybody can do what I'm actually doing. I have literally been able to change my life with affiliate marketing. That is what I do to make a full-time income from home. And as you can see in my background, like literally, this is my office. It's in my room. I mean, I wake up and I take 10 steps and I'm at my office. Affiliate marketing is being able to make money selling other people's products or service. If you've been researching this stuff for quite some time, you maybe have already seen a lot of people talk about affiliate marketing. And the reason why you're seeing so many people talk about it is because it's really affordable to get started with it, and literally anybody can start it. So it's like one of the easiest things to kind of get your foot in the door with becoming an online entrepreneur. Right now, I'm with a direct sales opportunity. It's an affiliate offer that is converting really, really well. The direct sales affiliate offer that I'm with right now is really cool because it actually shows people step by step exactly what to do to not only get involved, but to send a good amount of traffic to this offer to make conversions. Most people actually fail with affiliate marketing. I'm just gonna be upfront, but the reason why is because they're not with something that actually shows them a step-by-step process on how to get results. Get involved, you study and dive into the step-by-step video training, then you take action. You start getting traction with what they're telling you, exactly what to do to make the kind of money that I make. You won't start out doing that, okay? You're not gonna start making this crazy amount of money overnight or anything, but like I said, I started started out just like maybe you have started out, with basically maybe not knowing what the heck all this means. I remember diving into this stuff and I was like, I don't know what the heck I'm doing, but I'm just going to follow what these people are saying. And lo and behold, with consistency, I am now making money full-time from home. There's a video popping up somewhere on this video you can actually click on to get more information on exactly how it works. Or if you just want to get taken straight to the information page, there's a link in my description below you can click on to actually see, again, step by step, how you get qualified for this offer and how you make this work. Hope to work with you soon, and I will see you later.